I want to wife you. I want to put a ring on it, make you mine. I want to do life with you. And to be honest, this ring doesn't make you any better than you already are. You were a wife before I found you. You were gold even before the sun winked at you. You are everything and more I didn't know to pray for. They say he who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from God. So I bless the day I found you, my good thing, my oasis in this mundane world. I bless the day our paths crossed and my eyes beheld you. You're the kind of woman our future kids will be proud to call mother. You're my answered prayer, my Proverbs 31 spec. You're beautiful inside and out.